Hey friends, let's do Karma Chameleon guitar lesson by Boy George. For this song we've got a capo on the first fret and it's best to use a capo to get the chord voicings. I'll play the intro then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the D string, the first fret, slide up to the second fret and do that 3 times. Play the open D, then jump to the A, 3, 4, open, to E, 2, open, and we do that 2 times. Then we have this little riff that this plays right throughout the song. I'm going to play the open A, on the D string 2, slide to 4, then play 4 again, back to 2, and we do that 3 times for the intro. And to finish it off we jump to the G string 2nd fret, play it once, then again, back to the D string 4, 2, 4. So, and that's our intro there. So we're just starting with the same riff we did in the intro, open A, D string, 2nd fret, slide to 4, 4, back to 2. Then do exactly the same riff but start on the E string, so open E, A string 2, slide to 4, 4, 2. Back to the A riff again, and then finish the same we did in the intro, 2 on the G, and again back to D, 4, 2, 4, and do that 2 times. And that's our verse there. So we're just starting on the D chord and we're doing down up 4 times. Just play the bottom 3 strings. So down up, down up, down up, down up. And just move that up 2 frets and we're playing an E chord there, still with that D shape, and do the same for a bar. Down up, down up, down up, down up. And we do that through 3 times. And the 4th time we go from the E to the B minor 7. This time we're going to do a down up, down up, down up, down. To an F sharp minor, we're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then jump to the E, down there. So from that B minor 7 there, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, and to E, down. And then we have a second guitar. Now this comes in the second time we play the E, and it's just doing 5. And I'll talk like this is with the capo off, it makes it a little bit easier. So 5th fret on the E, 6 on the B, 5 on the G, and just play E, B, G. And that's our pre-chorus there. So for our chorus we're just starting on the A and we're doing a down, down, up, down, up, and that's half a bar. Then we're going to E over G sharp. So we're playing the 5th fret, and again I'll talk like the capo's not there. The 5th fret on the E string, mute the A. We have the 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, open B and E, and half a bar there, down, down, up, down, up. 2 F sharp minor for a bar, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 2 B minor 7 for a bar, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then go to A over E, so it's exactly the same as an A chord, just add in the open E string at the top, half a bar, down, down, up, down, up, to E, down, down, up, down, up. Now the next part stays the same, the second chord's going to change. So we have the A half a bar, down, up, down, up. Then we have E over C sharp. So it's exactly the same as E over G sharp, just come down a string there. So our 5th fret on the A string and half a bar, to F sharp minor a bar, B minor 7 a bar, A over E for half a bar, and to E for half a bar. Then we have a second guitar, and each time we play the F sharp minor, just get on the chord and play the E, B, D and G string. And then we have a little fill each time we play the E chord as well. And again, I'll talk like the capo's not on. We're going to come up to the 13th fret on the B, 13 E, 13 B, 13 E, 13 B, 14 G. And it does that each time we do the E. From there, go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. Back to our pre-chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 are exactly the same. Then our second chorus is exactly the same. The only difference here is the second time we play the F sharp minor, we're going to come up high on the neck, and again I'll talk like there's no capo. 15 E, 15 on the B, 17 on the D, 15 on the G. And that happens the second time we do the F sharp minor. So we're just starting for the D and do that for a bar. C sharp minor for a bar. B minor 7 for a bar. Go to an F sharp minor 7, but we're going to add the high E string there, and again, like there's no capo, on the 6th fret and a bar there. Repeat it again, D, C sharp minor, B minor 7, F sharp minor for half a bar, E for half a bar, and on the last down come up to your 5-6-5 again, the E chord. Then from there we have the instrumental, and that's just the verse. We go to the pre-chorus. Now the second guitar when we play that first E is just arpeggio picking the E chord, so E, B, G. Then we go to the second chorus, that's the same. Then we have another chorus which we're not playing in, and then to finish off we just play the second chorus till the end, and before you start just play that E chord again, just do an up strum, then go straight into the second chorus and repeat that to the end. And that's all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Karma Chameleon Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.